Is your Windows login screen not appearing or password box not showing up in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Windows 11 or 10 offers multiple options to log into your PC, ranging from simple PIN method to more complex Windows Hello Face Unlock. But at times, you may face a situation where the Windows login screen does not appear at all. If you face this issue, something here is sure to help you fix the problem. Let's get started. Method 1. Run System Restore. If the issue started recently, maybe after the Windows update, run System Restore to restore your computer back to a good point. Here is how to do so. Open the Start menu, search Create a Restore Point and click Open. Go to the System Protection tab. Select the drive in which you want to create the restore point and click Configure. Now select Turn on System Protection and click Apply, then OK. This way, a system restore point will be created whenever you make amendments to your system. Then delay the updates or block the update if you are able to find the offender. To pause updates, follow this process. Open Settings from the left side, select Windows Update. Now on the right side, click on the Pause for 1 week button. Method 2. Try Ctrl+Alt+Delete combination. Press Ctrl+Alt+Del and see if you can make the credentials box appear. Method 3. Users must enter a username and password to use this computer. Video makers can use picture from here. Press Windows+R to open the run box. Type this and hit enter to bring up the user accounts window. Uncheck user must enter a username and password to use this computer and click apply, then OK. Check if this helps. If it is already checked, uncheck it to turn off the Windows login screen and automatically log in. See this post if user must enter username and password to use this computer option is missing. Method 4. Disable Fast Startup. Fast Startup may be interfering, so you may want to disable Fast Startup and see. Follow the methods to do so. Type Power option in the search bar, select Edit Power Plan from the options. Alternatively, you could click on the power icon in your notification area and select More Power options. Click on Power Options. In the left pane, you will see the option Choose what the power buttons do. Click on it. Then select Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Here, you will see that the default recommended setting box, Turn on Fast Startup, is checked. This is one of the reasons why Windows now starts faster. Uncheck this box and save the changes to disable Fast Startup. If it does not help, remember to reverse the changes made. Method 5. Troubleshoot in clean boot state. Maybe some third-party processes interfering. Troubleshoot in clean boot state and see if you can identify the offender. Here is what to do. Press Windows key +R, type msconfig and click OK. Click the Services tab. Check the Hide All Microsoft Services box. This prevents you from disabling essential system services. Click Disable All. Click the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. In the Task Manager, go to the Startup tab. Select each startup item and click Disable. Close Task Manager and click OK in the System Configuration window. When prompted, click Restart. Method 6. Create a new user account. If the above methods fail to yield the desired results, the account that you are trying to sign in might have got corrupted. So create a new user account and see, and then transfer your data here. Click on the Start button icon in your taskbar area and then click on the Settings icon. Alternatively, you can press the Win+I key combination. Click on the Accounts option on the left panel. On the right panel, click on Family under Account Settings. Click on the Add Someone button. Click on Create One for a child link. Enter a valid email in the new email field and click on the Next button. Create a password, then click on the Next button. Enter the first name and last name of the child and click on the Next button. Enter the birth date of the child and click on the Next button again. Solve the puzzle to finish setting up the account. Method 7. Run Startup Repair. Running Startup Repair has been known to help some. Run it and see. Use a bootable device to boot into your PC. When Windows logo appears on the computer screen, select Repair your computer. This will lead you to the Advanced Startup Recovery menu. From here, select Troubleshoot. From the next window, choose Advanced Options, then select Startup Repair. Now the repair process will be initiated. Once done repairing, restart your PC. Method 8. Run reset this PC. You may want to run reset this PC to make sure your Windows OS installation is as good as new. Here is how to do so. Open Settings, choose Windows Update, go to Advanced Options, choose Recovery tab, click the Reset PC button. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. If nothing helps, then you may need to repair Windows using installation media. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.